It's Jennifer from J Stern Designs, and I want to tell you about a fun class I'm teaching in September at the September Stitches at Home event. I'm teaching the Great Rub Off. This is a class that will show you how to copy your favorite ready-to-wear garments without taking them apart to make pattern pieces. And so just to give you an idea, I'm wearing my tee and I rubbed it off, created a pattern to make a sample. So I'm just going to stand up to show you here. Two different kinds of fabric, but you can see pretty similar. I'm going to be teaching the Great Rub Off for Stitches at Home in September on Sunday the 12th from 5 to 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And then the next weekend on the 18th and 19th, which is a Saturday and Sunday. Saturday's class will also be from 5 to 7 p.m. and Sunday's class will be from 3 to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So those are the times I'm teaching this class. It's a 3-session class. So during the first session, we're going to break out the handout that comes with the class. You can see in front of me, I've printed out the handout that comes with class. It's 20 pages of step-by-step instructions. So on the first class, we are going to rub off something really simple like a sleeveless top or a straight skirt. And I'm just going to flip over to some of those pages. You can see that the steps are very detailed, and I take you through the entire process of how to rub off a simple garment using the paper method, meaning we're going to put the garment down on paper, pin it in place, and trace it. This method is really great for simple garments that don't have a lot of interior seam detail or sleeves or bust darts. So you can either choose a sleeveless top or a simple straight skirt for that rub off. During the second class, we're going to do something more detailed like a top with a sleeve and a bust dart. To do these more detailed garments, we're going to use the top down or fabric method of rubbing off the garment. And that's going to involve using something like non-woven interfacing pattern ease, Swedish tracing paper, or you could use muslin to trace the garment from the top in sections. And depending on the shape of your garment, it will involve pinning down, but then releasing pins to move from section to section. So we will be going through that step by step in the second class. And you can see I have some steps in the handout showing how to do that. Okay. And then in the third class, bring garments that you'd like to rub off for us all to look at, and we'll figure out a plan and steps to rub off other things that you have in your closet. So I think this class is going to give you a very good base for being able to create pattern pieces from your ready-to-wear garments without taking them apart. If you're interested in learning how to create pattern pieces from your garments, consider joining me for this class. It's going to be a lot of fun. I will put a link in the description below for more information and registration. And I hope you enjoyed this little preview of the Great Rub Off for Stitches at Home in September. And I hope to see you in class.